discuss about class 8 chapter 3 parallel quadrilateral, understanding quadrilateral. Now first we understand what is it. In earlier classes, live classes, we discuss about the properties of quadrilateral. Now we'll start with exercise 3.2 with all the examples, 3.3 and with all the examples. Let's cover first what is parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? Parallelogram. Okay. Then what is parallelogram? Parallelogram. Again we'll discuss whose opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Means suppose A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. What? A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Then AB is equal to the CD and BC is equal to the what? AD. AB is equal to the CD and BC is equal to the what? AD. AB, BC, CD. And also AB is parallel to the CD and BC is parallel to the AD. This is two properties. One more properties are here. Opposite angles. Opposite angles means angle B is equal to the what? Angle D. In parallelogram what? Angle B is equal to the what? Angle D. And angle A is equal to the angle C. Opposite pairs of angle are equal in parallelogram. One more property of parallelogram is here. The sum of these two angles, that is corresponding angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Okay, these are 4 to 5 properties of parallelogram. First we revise. Opposite angles are equal, opposite sides AB and DC, AD and BC both are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal and the sum of corresponding angle is 180 degree. Now we'll start with the questions. First question we have in a figure. Here is we have a figure. Best BEST will start 3.3 class 8 maths example number. From example we'll start. First we have example number 3 at page number 48 just in my book NCRT. Here we have find the perimeter of parallelogram. We have a P, Q, R and S. One parallelogram is given and we have to find out the perimeter of this parallelogram, and we have given PQ is equal to what? 12 centimeter and QR is equal to the what? 7 centimeter. Only 7 centimeter. PQ is 12 centimeter and QR is 7 centimeter. We have to find out the perimeter of the parallelogram. Now what is the perimeter of any figure? Perimeter of any figure is sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Perimeter is what? Sum of all sides. Okay, now we have to find out, right, the perimeter of parallelogram. Whose perimeter we have to find out? Perimeter of parallelogram. Perimeter of parallelogram. First, in this we have a given PQ is 12 centimeter. What we have given? PQ is 12 centimeter and QR is 7 centimeter. Now we know by the property of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. This side is 12. It means what? This side is also 12, right? And this is a 7, then this side is also 7. Then what is the perimeter of this parallelogram? 12 plus 12 plus 7 plus 7. Okay, so 12 plus 7 plus 12 plus 7. 12 plus 12, 24, 24 and 14, 34, 38 centimeter. This is the parallelogram of parallelogram. This is the basic question. Now we go with another question. Here we have a figure in a parallelogram. This is a one more parallelogram we have. Okay, like this, and we have to find out the angles. See carefully. We'll do this question very easily. Sometimes students find out the problem in this question, but by learning the properties of parallelogram, you find out the answer easily. Just start. We have to find out these angles in parallelogram. BEST. It's our NCRT question. Okay, this we have given this angle 100 degree and we have to find out the value of X, Y and Z. Very easy. When this type of questions come, just recall their property. What we have learned earlier, In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this and this side is equal to this. And what we learn in angles, opposite angles are equal. Yes, opposite angles are equal, and so angle x is equal to what? 100 degree by y, because of in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Is it clear? So easily we have find out opposite angles are equal, always equal. Now next is what? We one more property of parallelogram, adjacent angle. The sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. What? The sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. Here is angle x and here is angle z. And the sum of x plus z is what? 180 degree. Why? Because of adjacent angle. Yes or no? Yes. Now if it is x plus z 180, then how we can find out is that x we have 100 is equal to 180, then z is equal to what? 180 minus 100, 180 minus 100, then z is equal to what? 80 degree. Z is equal to 80 degree. Now we have z is equal to 80 degree. Now we have find out this z is equal to 80 degree. Then how we can find out y? Yes, we have one more way. See here. Here is a line and there are two angles. One is we have a 80 degree and another is y. This figure I made like this. Okay. You know what here make it is linear pair or not? Yes. Here is also linear pair. By angle y plus angle 80 is what? Yes, it is 180 degree. What it has? It's a 180 degree. Then we write y plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because it is of linear pair. I am writing LP for linear pair. Is it? Okay. Then y is equal to 100 degree. Find out one more way we can find out y. Listen, here we find x is equal to 100 degree. Now these are two parallel lines. Because of it is parallel, hence TS and B, both of these parallel lines, this is parallel lines, and here is a one transversal is going, one transversal is here. So x is equal to angle y, x is equal to angle y, x is equal to angle y. X what we find? 100 degrees. So angle y is also 100 degree. Hence x is equal to y is equal to 100 degree because of transversal is cutting and both are interior to this angle. Is it clear to everyone? Now we'll go with another question. In parallelogram ring, which in a parallelogram ring, just draw one parallelogram ring, RING ring. Okay, RING. It's an angle 70 degree here. Okay. We have a given measure of angle R is equal to 70 degree. Then we have to find out all other angles. We have to find out all other angles. We have to find out I and G. All angles we have to find out. I and G. All these three angles we have to find out. How will we find out these angles? Again, angle R is 70. Then angle N is what? It's also 70. Yes. Measure of angle N is also 70 degree. Why? Because of opposite angles of parallelogram. Now, these both are, this is 70 and this is 70. Now, how we can find out angle I and angle G? How we can find out? Yes, the sum of angle I plus angle R is 180 degree. Sum of angle I because of corresponding adjacent angle of parallelogram. The sum of adjacent angle of parallelogram is what? 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angle of parallelogram is what? 180 degree. Hence angle I plus angle R is 180 degree. What we have? Angle R is 70 degree. Angle I plus 70 is equal to what? 180 degree. Hence angle I is what? 180 minus 70, that is angle I is equal to 110 degree. We here find out angle I is a 110 degree. Then similarly angle G, because of its opposite to angle I, hence angle G is also 110 degree because of opposite angle of parallelogram. Is it clear? We'll discuss opposite angle of parallelogram. Again we understood this question. We have given one parallelogram RING and one angle, angle 70 is given, that is angle R. Now with the help of this angle R, we can find out angle N, because of angle R is equal to angle N. Why? Because of opposite angles of parallelogram. Both these angles are equal. Now the sum of this and this angle, what angle? Angle N plus angle I. These are adjacent angles. The sum of these angles is 180 degree. Then 7 plus I, angle N plus angle I is 180. You can write angle I plus angle I plus angle R is 180. Or you can write angle G plus angle R equal to 180. Any two angles, these, this. We write here angle I plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Here from this angle I plus 70, go there. 180 minus 70, that is 110. Then we find out angle I is equal to 110. Now angle I is 110, then angle G is also 110, because it is the opposite angle of parallelogram. Okay, so we have find out this question also. Now we'll do another question. Now we have a parallelogram, one more parallelogram, HELP, help. Which parallelogram? The name of this is HELP. Okay, and that the OE, and other we have here what? Diagonals. What we have here? Diagonals. So we have given OE is 4 centimeter. OE is 4 centimeter, and HL. What is HL? They given in question HL is 5 more than PE. What they said? HL is 5 more than PE. What is the value of HL? HL is 5 more than. What is the meaning of more than? Plus PE. Whatever value PE have, HL is 5 more than it. Okay, then we have to find out what value, OH. We have to find out what? OH. We have to find out this value. We have to find out this value. Now, first for find out this value, we have to know HL, and for HL we have to know what? PE. What we have to know? PE. Then what we have to know? PE. How we can find out the value of PE? We know OE is 4 centimeter. What? OE is 4 centimeter. Then OP is also what? You know the property of diagonals of parallelogram. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. What? Bisect each other. Hence, if it is 4 centimeter, if OE is 4 centimeter, then it is given in the question, right? Then OP is also what? 4 centimeter. Why? Because of we have to write here diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. With the help of OP is 4 centimeter. What is the value of PE? We can calculate PE is OE plus OP, right? And OE is 4 and OP is again 4, then PE is what? 8 centimeter. Is it clear? Now we find out the value of PE. We find out the value of PE is 8 centimeter. Now here we have given HL is 5 more than PE. HL is 5 more than PE. Then how we will find out HL? Just HL is equal to 5 plus PE, that is we right now we have find out PE is 8, then HL is equal to what? 8 plus 5, 13 centimeter. Is it clear to everyone? Now what is our question? We have to find out the value of OH. We have to find out the value of OH. Then how we'll find out? We know OH is again HL is equal to what? OH plus OL. OH plus OL, and again diagonal bisect each other. It means what? OH is equal to half of HL. Half of HL. Whatever the value of HL have, will divide it, that is 13 divided by 2, then that is 6.5 centimeter. It's a value of our OH. It's just by, if we remember the property of diagonals, then we can solve easily, because of diagonals bisect each other. With the help of this diagonals, this is 4 centimeter, so this part is also 4 centimeter. And in question they are giving HL, this diagonal is 5 more than this diagonal. Then we add 4 plus 4, 8. We got this diagonal. With the help of this diagonal, we find out the HL, value of HL, and with the help of HL, we find out this value OH. Okay, is it clear? Now we'll do another question. We have one more parallelogram. Again we'll do first diagonal bisector property, so it is much more clear to everyone. We have one diagonal R U and S. Okay, here we have given 16, here it is x plus y, here it is 20 and it's a y plus 7. Now again what we have a diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other means this part is equal to the this part and this part is equal to the this part, right? Hence what O, I write down just this value. I say O, this point name O. OS is equal to what? OU. OS is equal to what? OU. Or you can direct write out 20 is equal to Y plus 7. This is our first part. Okay, 20 is equal to Y plus 7. This is the plus 7. When it is in RHS, it comes in LHS. Plus 7 will minus 7. Yes. So whenever we come from LHS to RHS, the sign of your constant are changed. Even your constant variable, any term sign change. If it is a plus, then when it comes into RHS, it will minus. Okay. Then 20 plus 7 will come minus 7 and y is equal to value is what? 13. What we get? Phi is a 13. Now another is we have a 16 is equal to x plus y. Why? Because of diagonals bisect each other. 16 is equal to what? X plus y. Got it? Okay, fine. Now how we find this value? Earlier, right now we have find out y is equal to what? 13. Just down, write down here 16 is equal to x plus 13. 16 minus 13 is equal to x, hence x is equal to 3. Is it clear to everyone? Right now we are doing class 8 maths questions, chapter 3 quadrilateral. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Now we'll do another question. We'll do some more extra questions without NCRT, except NCRT. We'll do some more another questions. Wait, we'll taking right now. Today we'll do only for parallelograms, so it is much and more clear everyone. We'll do another question. Wait for a minute. Okay, now next question is the adjacent angle of parallelogram are as ratio of 2:3. They are given the adjacent angle of parallelogram. You know what is adjacent angle? Any two nearby angle. These and these are two adjacent angle. These and these are two adjacent angle. These and these are two adjacent angle. And these and these two adjacent angle. Now question is this: adjacent angle of parallelogram are in ratio of 2:3. Adjacent angle of parallelogram are in ratio of 2:3. Find the measure of all angles. We have to find out the measure of all angles. Wait, I am coming in a second. Then how, what we have to find out? We have to find out the all angles. We have given only adjacent angles ratio, that is 2:3. Okay, suppose I assume this is 2:3. Whenever we have given the angles ratio in ratio, then we just write down it is a 2x and 3x, because of they have given in ratio 2:3. It may be 20:30, 0 cut, it may be 2:3, it may be 27 and another one is anything else. Yes, 90 is 27, 9 9 and 19. It may be 27 90, because of again its ratio is 18 and 90, again its ratio is 2:3. So whenever we have given the ratio, we write down in terms of x. Now we have given adjacent angles ratio is 2:3, then we taken these angles as a 2x and 3x. Now the sum of adjacent angle is what? 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angle is what? 180 degree. Then 2x plus, it's our NCERT question number 5 only, huh? 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, 2x plus 3x is 180 degree. Why? Because of sum of adjacent angle of parallelogram is 180 degree. This plus this, 180 degree. Now 2x plus 3x is what? 5x. 5x is equal to what? 180. Okay, fine. 5x is equal to 180. If you x is equal to 180. Here it is in multiplication. Then when it come into RHS, it goes into division. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. What we have given 65, 6, 30. What we get, the value of x is 36 degree. Here we get the value of x is 36 degree. Now we have to find out all the angles. We have to find out all the angles means what? We have to find out angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, right? Is it okay? Now how we find out angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D? We know x is equal to 36 and it is 2x, then it is also 2x because of opposite angles of parallelogram equal. This one is 3x, it means what? This one is also 3x because of opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, right or wrong? Yes, it is equal. Now angle A is 2x means what is the value of 2 into 36? That is 72 degree. It's a 72 degree. Yes. Angle B is 36, 3x. 3 into 36, 3 into 36 is what? It's a 108 degree. Angle C is similar to angle A, it is 72 degree. Angle D is similar to angle B, it is 108 degree. So we have to done all the questions. Okay. Now we'll go with another question with parallelogram. Now again we have a question for finding angles. Here is one parallelogram. Here is one parallelogram. It's like this. Okay. One parallelogram. This is angle x, this is angle y, this is angle z, this one outside, not inside, and it's a 80 degree. What is this? It's a 80 degree. We have to find out all the angles. We have to find out all the angles. It's our parallelogram. What is this? It's our parallelogram, and we have to find out all the angles of parallelogram. How will we find out? Let's do. We know, yes, opposite pair of angles are equal in parallelogram. Hence angle y is equal to what? Angle 80 degree. Angle y is equal to what? 80 degree because of opposite pair of parallelogram. We assume this angle as angle P. What will we assume? Now angle y plus angle x is what? Angle y plus angle x is 180 degree. Why? Because of yes, adjacent pair of angles sum is 180 degree. Adjacent pair of angle sum is 180 degree. Adjacent pair of angle. Okay. Is it clear? Now adjacent pair of angle is 180 degree. Now angle y plus angle x. We know what is the value of angle y. It's 80 degree. Write down 80 plus x is equal to 180. This 80 is in LHS. We'll take it in RHS. Okay. Then x. Here no sign. It means what? It has a plus sign. No sign means what? Plus sign. Then plus 80 goes to the RHS. Then plus sign is converted into minus sign. Okay. I'll always write 180 first. Then minus 80. Okay. Now 180 minus 80 is what? It's a 100 degree. Then what is the value of x? It's a 100 degree. Definitely we got the value of x 100 degree. Again, what is the value of P? It is also 100 degree because of opposite pair of parallelogram. Opposite pair of angles of parallelogram. Opposite sides are also equal. Opposite angles are equal. Now we find out angle P. Then can we find out angle Z? Yes. Just draw a rough diagram. Here is it's our angle P and it's our angle Z. Can you say which type of property we can apply here? Yes, it's a linear pair. Definitely. Angle P plus angle Z is always 180 degree because of linear pair. We know angle P is what? Here we right now we are find angle P is 100 degree. What is angle P? It's 100 degree, and angle Z I don't know. We have to find out that angle Z. Now this 100 goes that side. Hence angle Z is 80 degree. What we got? Angle Z is 80 degree. So we find out all the angles. Angle Y we find out 80 degree. One more way we can find out this angle Z without doing such more calculation. You know, here is a parallelogram. Then these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Here we make a Z. What here meant? Z. Z is what? It's an alternate interior angle. When two lines are parallel, then these two angles are equal. In parallelogram, these and these lines are parallel. If this angle Y is 80 degree, first we find. Then this angle Z is also 80 degree, right? Why? Because of alternate interior angle. So we can find out why this also, angle y is equal to angle z is equal to 80 degree because of alternate interior angle. Okay, we can find out this also. Okay, now we'll do another question. Just go with another question. Yes, we have this parallelogram like this. This is our angle Z, this is our angle X, this is our angle Y, and this is 50 degree. Now we have to find out another angles. It's a 50 degree. Can we find out? Yes, definitely we can find out. First, we know 50 plus Y is equal to what? 180 degree because of yes, adjacent angles of parallelogram. Hence 50 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Then y is equal to what? 180 minus 50. Hence y is equal to what? 30 degree. 130 degree. Here angle y is equal to 30 degree. Then angle x is equal to angle y. Both of are equal. This is also 30 degree. 130 degree. Here angle x is 30 degree. This angle is 50. It means what? This is also 50. Now 50 plus z. What? 50 plus z is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. Because of linear pair. So z is equal to 130 degree. Another way z you can find out. This is 130 degree. Here we find out x is 130. It is also 130 degree because of corresponding angle of line. Because of this is a line and these two lines are parallelogram. Because of these are parallel, in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Hence if it is 130 then it is also 130. So we can find out in many ways, but we have to, only the thing is we have to learn all the properties of parallelogram so we can easily find out our answers. Okay, now another question. One more parallelogram we have, and we have to learn all the properties of parallelogram, then we can easily solve out these questions. It's a very easy in sorry, it's like this. Okay, and it's a very scoring chapter, we can easily score in this chapter. There is no more calculation. It is x, here is it is angle y, it is angle z, it's a 40 and it's a 70. Oh, how can we find out this question? Can anyone tell me? Yes, earlier, right now we did this in this question. Angle x is equal to angle z is equal to 180 degree because of corresponding angle of parallelogram. Similarly, we can here apply 40 plus z is equal to 70 degree because of corresponding angle of parallelogram. Okay, so 40 plus z is equal to 70 degree. This is by because of corresponding angle of parallelogram. Hence z is equal to what? 70 minus 40. Then the value of z is what? It's a 30 degree. What is the value of z? It's a 30 degree. Is it clear? Now you know this line is parallel to this, definitely because of it is parallelogram. Here what? Alternate interior angle. Hence if it is a z is a what? 30 degree, then this angle is also what? 30 degree. And if it is a 40 degree, then it is also 40 degree. Hence angle y is equal to 40 degree because of alternate interior angle of parallelogram. Is it clear? Now this is 40 and 30 70. Now what? This angle plus this angle is 180 degree, or this angle plus this angle is 180 degree, or you can write down. So angle x plus angle this 70 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, hence angle x is equal to what? 180 minus 70. Hence x is equal to what? 110 degree. It's our answer. With the help of properties we can find out easily the question what is given. We can easily find out our answers. If you want to know another any questions of chapter this chapter, please comment me, so we'll solve that one. Otherwise we'll solve another question. Just Is it clear to everyone? Okay, now we'll do another question. Okay, till today we'll complete the parallelograms questions. Next we'll complete another exercise, that is 3.4 and remaining questions of parallelogram. Till bye bye. Good day everyone.